Hi, my name's Josh from Chester Peugeot, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used vehicle. This is the Mini Countryman 1.5 Cooper Sport ALL4. The 1.5 litre petrol engine comes with an automatic transmission. This Mini has loads of extra features, including the John Cooper Works Aerodynamic kit, entry sills and roof spoiler. It also has sport suspension and the piano black exterior pack. The easy access large boot provides excellent space for all of your day-to-day journeys. The rear parking sensors help you manoeuvre more easily in tighter spaces. The 18-inch John Cooper Works grip spoke alloy wheels help finish the exterior look of this vehicle. The full LED headlights, accompanied by daytime running lights, not only look great but help keep you seen on the road. The rear seats have two ISOFIX points, electrically controlled windows, storage in the back of the front seats and in the centre console. Making our way into the front of the vehicle, we're greeted by the steering wheel with fingertip controls, the excellent touchscreen and the fantastic John Cooper Works seating. The fingertip controls on the steering wheel allow you to easily control the car's functions. The attractive and easy to read digital dashboard provides you with your rev counter, speedometer and also your fuel. It can also provide you with other information which includes trip computers and range to zero. The impressive multifunction colour touchscreen provides you with many different functions. This includes satellite navigation to easily guide you to your destination, the communication function when connected with your telephone to view messages and calls, radio which includes DAB digital radio and FM radio. You can also find your vehicle settings here. Further down we have our air conditioning and temperature control settings, our start-stop toggle switch and also our drive mode toggle switch. Further back we have cup storage, our gear select and parking brake. We also have alternative controls for the functions on our touch screen. For more information or to book a test drive, please call 01244 398 600 or alternatively inquire online now.